Hey yo, y'all can see how big this mug is. But if you want to know when you hear that humming noise at night, this thing right here is what you hear. Look at the size of that thing. So it's building some type of tunnel down in the ground, and that's what it looked like. But when you hear that humming noise, that's what you hear. Big old crane, drop it down in there in a hole. You know what I'm saying? But everybody want to know what's that mysterious humming. That thing right there. Yeah, it goes down in the ground.